Hi there, students. Charm, a noun. Countable and uncountable. Charming, an adjective. As well, to charm as a verb. Okay, charm is a quality that makes you feel attracted to someone, makes you like them. So, she was a lady of great charm. This is a charming village. Yeah, it's full of old-fashioned charm. She's really good at turning on the charm when she wants something, being intentionally very, very pleasant. Yeah, she turned on the charm to get them to lend us their car. Yeah, okay, he's totally lacking in charm. And then charming, pleasant and attractive. He's such a charming fellow. What a charming village this is. Yeah, his wife is absolutely charming. Okay, let's see. So, charming. Oh, charming. Very nice, very pleasant. Let's see. To charm. To attract someone using your charm. So we charmed him into coming with us. Yeah, we charmed the pants off him until he actually agreed. Okay, so it's to use this quality. A charm can also be an object or an action which is believed to bring good luck. So, I don't know, a four-leaf clover is a good luck charm. Yeah, a rabbit's foot is a charm. Well, okay, and then charming. He was thoughtful and charming. He was a charming fellow. Okay, so he's a real charmer. He uses his charm to influence people. Yeah, maybe that's a little bit disapproving. Okay, to charm somebody. The power of delighting and attracting and fascinating people. To charm, to delight greatly. Yeah, to charm as in by magic. So a snake charmer charms the cobra out of the basket. Okay, so to charm, magic charm. I'm also thinking Prince Charming is always the hero who comes to save the princess in a fairy tale. And then I'm thinking charm. There's a quark called charm as well. A basic piece of matter. Okay, so charming. He's very, very, very charming. He's a really nice guy. He's charming and friendly. Okay, so to chant a magic charm. Yeah, an incantation, an amulet, something that keeps away evil or gives you good luck, a good luck charm. Yeah, a fascinating, enticing trait, characteristic. The charm of this country has not worn off on me. She used her female charms on me, and I was compelled to say yes. Yeah, it was compelling attractiveness. You could have a silver charm for a charm bracelet. Okay, so you could charm an audience. Hey, you could start a charm offensive, being very nice because you want something. Yeah, you could charm the crowd with your words. So charm as a noun, the quality of being pleasant. Yeah, charm. Somebody who has charm is friendly, pleasant, makes people like them. To charm someone, to please them by using their charm. Okay, he charmed the ladies by helping them and flirting with them. Okay, so to charm your way into a situation, to charm your way out of a situation. Yeah, he charmed his way out of trouble. Yeah, you charmed something. Somebody could charm something out of you. They persuaded you to give it to them using their charm. A good luck charm or a charm on a small thing on a necklace. A charm, an act, a saying, an object that has magic powers. Yeah, these are my fingers are crossed as a charm against the evil eye, a good luck charm. So this is related to sorcery and magic as well. Okay, so to charm, formality. 5.5 in formality, use anywhere, maybe 6, but I think you could still use it informally. Charming. Yeah, he's a charming fellow. 6 in formality again, but use anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from a Middle English word, charm, which comes from Old French, a chant or a magic spell, which actually comes from Latin, Carmen, a song or a tune. And that's the idea of it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. They are charming, aren't they?